Hello, good afternoon to all. Today's session I would like to discuss multivalued form, multiple values form in PHP. See the output of a program here. Three fields are there: first name, middle name, last name, which are single value. And platform interested, city interested, these are the multiple values field. You can select multiple values at a time in this selection. And after giving name, suppose I choose first name, middle name, last name, then here I choose PHP, Java, Python, and then selection of cities. Save. It will show first name, middle name, last name, platform interested, which have multiple values, and city interested, which have multiple values. How to do that in PHP? Let us see the programs. First of all, form action, we have to implement logic in getDemo.php. Method is equal to post. Field set style is equal to width colon 200 px. This is the CSS you have to design. Legend tag, here we have to use legend tag from HTML. Legend tag, it is used to group related elements in the form. Here field set tag is used and legend is used. Here field set tag, here field set, and we have to use here field set. In field set we have to group the elements, group related elements in a form. Here first we have to define label personal info, first name, and field set tag draws a box around the related elements. Related elements first name, middle name, last name, and draws box using field set for three elements. Then you know the HTML input type text name is equal to first name, middle name, last name. Then end of that field set, it will draw the box and include all these three fields into, and title is personal info. Then again platform interested, that is the checkbox. Input type is equal to checkbox, name is equal to, here multiple values are there for this field, therefore we have to include name is a array, check platform array for multiple values. Here values PHP, ASP, Java, Python, and to separate values you have to use break br. Then end of that field set, it also includes all the title is platform interested and all the values have one box. Like that city interested, select tag, here you have to use select tag for select tag. It is used to create a drop down list. Here drop down list of Kolhapur, Pune, Mumbai, Nashik, Mysore, city list is there. Select drop down list, size is equal to 4 and multiple is equal to multiple. These are the parameters provided, and it will again one box is there for every value. and drop down list of cities. This is the design of our form. We have to include here form action getDemo.php. Now see the getDemo.php. Here we have to check the value of button save. Two buttons are there in this. After this we have to define two buttons, submit and reset. Submit button name btn save, button save and button reset. Here is set $_post button save. After pressing that button, we have to access the value of first name, middle name and last name. What is the name? First name, variable name, that is first name. We have to store that value into $f name, $middle name into m name, $last name into l name. Then $platform is equal to $post check platform. Check platform is the array. It stores into $platform, and $city, it is also stored into $city. Then echo first name is equal to $f name, $m name using h1 heading, name is equal to last name is equal to $l name. Then these are the multiple values and it is array, therefore we have to use for each loop to display that values. For each $platform, as $platforms is equal to $p. Then $city as $cities, $c city interested, it will display all the cities. Like that we have to access multiple values. After executing this program, reset, it will show personal info title, first name, middle name, last name, platform interested and city interested. Then use here name, suppose Priya Raj, suppose Kadam. Then PHP, ASP, Java, Python. If you select all the values and then all the cities, it will save that and display first name is equal to Priya, middle name is equal to Raj, last name is equal to Kadam. Platform interested PHP, ASP, Java, Python and all the cities. It will display. Like that you have to use multivalued form in PHP. I hope you understood all the concepts. Thank you.